One last example on factoring polynomials. So we want to find our common factor, the term or expression that we can pull out of each term. So on the first one I always look at the numbers first. So if we consider the 27, the 18, and the 9. Now, 9 divides into each of those evenly, so that means we can factor the 9 out. So I would put the 9 out front. Next, I would look at the a's. So I've got a to the 6th, a to the 4th, and a cubed. So the largest number of a's that I can pull out is a cubed. Next, I would look at the b's. I've got b cubed, b squared, and b to the 4th. So the largest number I can pull out there is b squared. And then we've got c, c cubed, and c squared. So the most I can pull out there is just 1c. So now I'm just going to erase my markings here so we go back to a clean expression. If I factor 9a cubed b squared c out of each term, essentially I'm dividing the 9a cubed b squared c into each term. So if I divide that into the 27a to the 6th b cubed c, what I would be left with is 3a cubed b. So we can double check this to make sure. If I multiply this with this, I should get back to the 27a6b3c. So 9 times 3 is 27. A cubed times a cubed is a to the 6th. B squared times b is b cubed, and then we tack the c on. So I know that I factored that part correctly. Then my next term, if I take the 9a cubed b squared c out of the second term, I'd be left with negative 2, because negative 18 divided by 9 is negative 2. A to the 4th divided by a cubed leaves me with 1a. B squared divided by b squared leaves me with no b's. And then c cubed divided by c leaves me with c squared. Then the last term, if I factor 9a cubed b squared c out of that one, 9 divided by 9 is just 1. Now you can write the 1 here, you don't have to, but if you want to just make sure you don't lose the place of it. A cubed divided by a cubed leaves me with no a's. B to the 4th divided by b squared gives me b squared. And then c squared divided by c leaves me with c. So then if you check the expression, the way that you factored it to make sure that it works, you would take 9a cubed b squared c and multiply it by 3a cubed b. And that gives you the 27a to the 6th b cubed and c. Then we take the 9a cubed b squared c and we multiply it by 2ac squared. And 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. A cubed times a is a to the 4th. B squared is just b squared. And then c times c squared gives us c cubed. And then the last term would give you the 9a cubed b to the 4th c squared. So you know that you factored it correctly.